Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to download and install X or Twitter app in your device. So this is really gonna easy and short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you'll learn how to do this. So I'm using Android phone, so that's why if you use Android phone then you need to go Google Play Store, or if you use iPhone then go to App Store. So I'm just going to click Play Store, and here you have to search on the search box X or Twitter. So you can just type X and you'll get the Twitter. So it's a previous Twitter, so it's named now X. So simply click on install. Once you click on install, so it takes few time to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you to know more, and thank you for watching the video.